the doom of the lawless lords. Strip the lion of his pride, nowhere for the beast to hide. While in the tower the truth is read, in the book of noble dead. The seed is strong, the pages swear, the king's true sons have charcoal hair.
In the high hall of the sky, a mercenary fights to die. Bronze steps up with a flashing blade, no honor in the trap he made.
The heavy night is slow and weak, the sky cell wind is cold and bleak. A strike, a fall, a scream of fright, the little lion walks into the light. Melt the gold, pay the price, nothing but a sacrifice. A golden crown of liquid pain to wash away the brother's reign. The dragon wakes, the shadow flies, as the foolish beggar dies. Drinks and draws his steel, a drunken prince who will not kneel. He threatens the womb, he claims the throne, but Khal Drogo stands alone.
A crown of gold, the warlord smiles
to end the brothers' greedy wiles. The fire burns, the metal glows,
as the liquid terror flows.
A silent scream, a golden head.
The false dragon drops down dead.
Daenerys watches with eyes of stone,
ready to claim the world alone.
Fire cannot kill a dragon, she sighs under